what we're seeing in the healthcare marketplace, when I first got into the market, I sold life insurance. I sold investments. And I was a young kid. I was around 25 years old when I got in this business. And the reason that I got in this business because I was thinking, I was really successful selling life insurance. So I thought to myself, well, what's the easiest thing to sell? And medical devices came to mind, and pharmaceuticals, which we do have some pharma companies on board as well. And what I noticed was the salesmanship was very weak in med device in healthcare. Why? Because competition was not all that great. As a matter of fact, if you were an immune globulin company, or you sold vents, or you sold patient monitoring systems, you sold needles and syringes, or whatever your product or service was, there was just a handful of competitors. And the market demand was greater than supply. So just by being in business, you typically made an outstanding living. And reimbursement was guaranteed, right? The government was paying, especially in the US, and especially in a lot of countries around the world, the government does the paying. So there's no receivable issue. I mean, what a great business. Well, what's happened now? Dial it into 2018, you're seeing massive global competition. You're seeing margins shrinking. You're seeing that skill matters. So what you're seeing is a mass cleansing of the marketplace. You're seeing companies go by the wayside, startups are failing, companies that have great technology are going out of business, executives are being fired every second. Why? Because you're not communicating properly. You're not getting to the market. Everybody thinks money's the problem. Money is the easiest thing to get. Take it from somebody that has to raise capital, that has investors, shareholders. Money, once you have a sound idea, is easy to raise. But what you need is a bankable, and I invest in companies as well. And what I look for is a bankable growth plan. How are you going to meet your revenue objectives? All those great plans that you see on the PowerPoints that we all get fed for the bankers and the investors, what we present to the management teams. They all look fancy with great numbers and everything looks rosy, but you know what? Dig into the detail. How specifically are they going to get there? So that's where inside sales can help you.